Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today I am going to show you another styling video featuring Klaiyi hair, and it's just basically a feather high ponytail. So if you want to see, keep watching. So step one, what you want to do is basically rewrap the ponytail around your head. Now if the ponytail is secured already, then you might as well go ahead and do the second step, but the first step is to wrap the ponytail around the little bun bun that you have. Okay, so before doing step two, what you want to do is make sure your ponytail tracks is secured. So take a piece of hair and wrap it around the tracks, and then now what you want to do is basically take each section of the ponytail and basically just feather it. Is what you're doing. Just basically getting a piece and scissoring it down. Get a piece and scissoring it down, and then what she's doing also is taking a flat iron and basically just curling it backwards like a feather bang, basically. Alright, so now that you got your form, what you want to do is take some curlers. Doesn't matter, these are the IQs, I think from Babyliss. And what you want to do is basically take each section of hair that you feathered, and you want to strictly just comb the hair. Strictly, girl, I be pronouncing the words wrong, be saying it wrong with not the correct terms, girl, whatever, y'all know what I'm talking about. So basically curl it so you can take your feather comb, and then you're going to go back and feather it. So you made it to the last step. Everything is curled and ready to go, but you have some strangle hairs or some stuff that you see that is not in place. So go ahead and cut what you need to cut, and then take your feathered comb and basically comb to the back, bring the hair up to the front, and there you go, a feathered ponytail bang. How cute is that? I've never seen it done before. So like I said, so many styles that you can do with this hair, and it's just so bomb. So there will be a giveaway, but not in this video. You have to check the other video because there will be a giveaway. So stay tuned for another video. And until then, I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out Klaiyi here in the bottom of the description bar. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next story.